Hey everyone, today I want to share a super practical workflow for turning long screen recordings into punchy social media clips without spending hours on tedious editing. I used to waste so much time manually scrubbing through timelines, but this simple routine helps me separate audio, shrink file sizes, and automate the cutting process. First, regardless of whether you record with Camtasia, Premiere Pro, or OBS, your video and audio usually start as one big, combined file. The trick here is to separate them, so right-click your track in your NLE and select the option to detach or separate the audio from the video. Once you have that audio file isolated, export it as a standalone file so you can manipulate it separately from the main recording. Now, here is a massive pain point. Raw exported WAV files are usually huge, which makes uploading to cloud tools painfully slow. I fixed this by running the file through a free audio compressor to drop the bitrate to a reasonable level like 128 kbps. You'll be amazed because this tiny step shrinks your file size from 90 megabytes down to just 8, making uploads near instant. Having smaller files not only saves time on your network, but also helps avoid those annoying upload errors on many web-based tools. Now, you might be tempted to use something like Adobe Audition for advanced fixes, but that is honestly overkill if you just need quick, punchy social clips. Instead, I take my compressed audio file and upload it directly into Vizard to let their AI handle the heavy lifting of finding the best moments. Vizard automatically detects the most engaging parts of the recording, so I don't have to spend all day scrubbing through my footage to find the gold. The AI is incredibly smart at identifying high-energy segments that perform well on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It even handles the captioning and formatting, which is a total game changer for creators who want to maintain a consistent output. Another huge benefit is the auto schedule feature, which lets you queue up your content across platforms without needing to babysit your feed. While tools like Premiere Pro are essential for complex cinematic edits, Vizard is unbeatable for churning out consistent, platform-ready educational content. Just remember to label your files clearly, like adding compressed to the file name so you don't get mixed up when importing your final clips back into your master project. Once the clips are ready, I just drag them back into my timeline, group them with my main project, and everything stays perfectly synced up. This workflow is perfect if you're trying to scale your content output without hiring an entire team of editors to manage your social presence. If you're worried about quality, you can always test your audio at 192 kbps instead of 128. It's still significantly smaller than a WAV file, but sounds even crisper. So, to recap the flow, record your footage, separate and compress the audio, use Vizard to auto-clip your best moments, and then schedule them for publication. This simple, repeatable system saves me hours of work every single week, allowing me to focus on creating rather than fighting with my software. One final tip. Even with AI, always spend a minute giving your clips a quick human check, especially for your final caption or thumbnail choices. That extra bit of personal polish can make a huge difference in your click-through rates and overall viewer engagement. I hope you found this workflow helpful, and if you want to see a live demo of this exact process, hit that like button and subscribe for the next video.